Hello YouTube friends, my name is Austin. Today we are going to introduce you to Matt Parr and his intelligent strategy, which is the easiest way to make money online with YouTube for beginners. Without further ado, let's get into it now. The information on this YouTube channel and the resources available are for educational and informational purposes only. In order for this to be the easiest way to make money online with YouTube for beginners, it has to meet a few criteria. Number 1, you don't have to get on camera or be some sort of influencer. Number 2, you don't have to create a product or a course. Number 3, you don't have to have a large amount of starting capital to do this. Number 4, it has to have a long lifespan, which means you do the work once, and then it can pay you regularly going forward for years to come. Have you ever seen someone who has money, without a partner? We want to help you with how to make money on YouTube without making videos, step by step. We would like you to have the money to do what you want, and live your life how you want, drive the car that you want, live in the house that you want, and have the partner that you deserve. Welcome to this expose on how to make money on YouTube without making videos, step by step. This is going to be a straight to the point introduction to information that shows you exactly what to do to make money on YouTube without making videos. It can be a side hustle. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. It's not going to be like other trainings that just talk about theory. You are going to be able to walk away from this with actionable information that you can take right now. Specifically, we are going to be going over 4 different secrets for doing this. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below. But first, why should you do YouTube as opposed to all of the other business models that are out there? Well, running YouTube channels where you don't ever have to show your face, checks all of the boxes for being the best business model out there. First of all, you can run your YouTube channels from anywhere. Your age does not matter. Matt started his YouTube journey when he was just 14 years old, that was about 9 years ago as of 2024. He was making $3,000 a month by the time he was 15, and over $9,000 a month by the time he graduated high school. Now, if you implement the secrets, Matt can't guarantee that you will automatically make $30,000 a month the first month, but we are going to be showing you exactly what Matt did step by step to achieve these dizzy heights. Now, the biggest reason that YouTube is the best business model out there, is that you do the work once, and it can continue to pay you for years into the future. With other businesses you can't necessarily say the same. We are going to be showing you exactly what Matt did step by step to achieve his dizzy heights. Now, the biggest reason that YouTube is the best business model out there, is that you do the work once, and it can continue to pay you for years into the future. With other businesses you can't necessarily say the same. For many businesses you have to constantly be doing new things within the business every single month to continue making money. With YouTube, you set up the systems and processes once. Think of every video that you upload as a piece of digital real estate that lives forever on the internet. Then it should pay you money every single month. Matt still makes money every single month from videos that he uploaded when he was just 14 years old. So we're going to show you exactly how you can start planting these seeds for yourself with the 4 secrets that Matt mentioned. I am still with you. More information to come. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. We are going to start with secret number 1, which is how to make money on YouTube without making videos. The best niches to do this in secret number 2, will be to how to actually generate that content without showing your face, and without recording any videos whatsoever. Secret number 3 will be the true secret for going viral on YouTube fast. We barely even talked about this online, so you're going to get a lot of value from that. Then secret number 4, how to monetize your channel and make the most amount of money possible. Now we are not gonna bore you with Matt's story, but we are just going to recap it incredibly quickly. He started YouTube when he was 14 years old. By the time he was 16 years old, Matt was making more money than both of his parents combined. Before he was 20, he was a millionaire from YouTube, and today, he runs over a dozen different channels, and makes millions of dollars per year from YouTube. But basically, to summarize it for you, Matt absolutely hated school. He was dreading having to then go to college for multiple years, and go deep into debt for that. He was not interested in working for years to pay that student loan off, much less buy a house with a mortgage, and going to a job that he hated. Matt had little interest in working almost the whole of his life to pay off that college degree and mortgage, and then towards the end of his life potentially have just a couple years to enjoy a decent retirement. In all honesty, he didn't want any part of it. You may have felt like that in the past as well. Matt was incredibly depressed that, a lot of times, he had a lot of conflict with his parents and stuff. Things are better now, thankfully. But at the time Matt was searching for a better way. He came across this YouTube channel that was called Top 5s. That channel uploaded videos without ever even showing their face or anything. At the time, he didn't even know how they were making money or what they were doing. But he took his crappy iPod Touch with a cracked screen that he had at the time, and he started writing scripts and recording voiceovers using that iPod Touch. Matt went from a completely broke high school student at the age of 14, who isn't broke at that age, to now making $30,000 a month with YouTube. Matt wants to show you how to do the same. Matt started editing the videos together on his laptop, which could barely even edit at the time. He uploaded those videos onto YouTube and none of them took off for a long time. That is, until he learned a couple of secrets, which we are going to be sharing with you within Matt's training. Eventually, after he implemented some of the secrets, he had a video take off and get over 100,000 views. He made notes of exactly what he had done. He identified exactly what worked, and then kept doing that over and over again. He did that until he was getting over 1 million views per month on his channel at just 15. Then he learned about monetization and began making $3,000 a month at age 15. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. That definitely was not easy. You can, however, benefit from Matt's hard work and the hard work of tons of other people who have created these products. For the purpose of this example, we are just using an education course which to our mind, is the premier course to let you know how to make money on YouTube without making videos. These people have created these products. For the purpose of this example, we are just using an education course which, to our mind, is the premier course to let you know how to make money on YouTube without making videos. We want to focus on promoting a digital product so there's no fulfillment cost. Every single time somebody buys, now that we've got our magic link, we're going to put that magic link in the description of all of our YouTube videos. Here's how to potentially make over $300 per day doing this. We also want to focus on promoting a digital product so there's no fulfillment cost. Every single time somebody buys, now that we've got our magic link, we're going to put that magic link in the description of all of our YouTube videos. So, Matt is saying, first of all, set up a schedule of posting at least 3 videos per week in the beginning. I know you can literally do this. Just sit down one day a week and crank out 3 of these videos. It'll take you a couple hours and then simply schedule those videos to be released on YouTube. After 1 year you'll have 144 videos. If each video gets on average 500 views per month, but, keep in mind, this will not be consistent. 90% of the views will come from only 10% of the videos. But if we average it out, let's say 500 views per month, which is more than possible, that's 72,000 views per year on your whole channel containing 144 videos. With that many views, you could be making $500 daily. Just say we are even off this by a lot. These are just averages that Matt found within his own YouTube channels. You can still potentially make a decent income doing this if you do it the right way. Matt went from a completely broke high school student at the age of 14, who isn't broke at that age, to now making $30,000 a month with YouTube. Matt wants to show you how to do the same. See what we can do to help you to see how to make money on YouTube without making videos, step by step, without even showing your face. Matt's free training will be sharing with you how to do all of this, after you click the bit.ly link at the top of the description below. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training.